You hear about warranty protection for life in every Sunset commercial. So let's dive a little deeper to get a true understanding of just how big it is. Warranty protection for life is included on every single qualifying new and pre-owned vehicle at any Sunset Auto Family dealership. It's a limited powertrain warranty honored at any ASE certified repair facility in North America for as long as you own that vehicle. And it covers just about anything oil touches, including gaskets and seals. No, not that kind. Anyway, you can have the work done anywhere you want in North America. Unlike those copycats who try to make you bring your vehicle back to them. A little tricky, huh? And, a no-no? Google the Magnuson-Moss Act to see why. Warranty protection for life. It's just one of the exclusive extras from the Sunset Auto family to keep you covered. Hey, speaking of covered, go to sunsetautofamily.com and meet the new arrivals to the Sunset Auto family. They know a thing or two about coverage. You just get more at Sunset. And people do like that. Oh yeah, go Hawks!